Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all for this social class. Today we are going to learn lesson 10 part 2. In part 1, what shall we learn? You all remember the name of the lesson, no? Yes. From the picture you guess the name of the lesson. Lesson 10, My School. First, what we did in that lesson? First we did get set. Then what we do? We learn these passages. What did we learn in this passage? Hello, I am Millie. I study in Little Star School. I have many friends in school. I wear a uniform to school. I carry books, notebooks, pencils, erasers and crayons in my school bag. I also carry a lunch box and a water bottle. The name of the girl is Millie and she is studying in Little Star School. She is having so many friends and she wear a uniform to school and she carry books, notebooks, pencils, erasers and crayons in her school bag and she can also carry a lunch box and a water bottle. Next, what did we learn? We learned in my school. What are the things that she learned in school? What are the things she carried to school? First we learn. Next we learn about what are the things that she learned in the school. Who is teaching her good things at school? Yes, you are right. Teacher. Very good. In my school, my teachers teach me many things in school. What are the things she learned? I learned to read and write. I learned to do sums. I learned to draw and paint. I learned good habits and good manners. I learned to play games. What are the things she learned? She learned to read and write. She learned to do sums. She learned to draw and paint. She learned good habits and good manners. And she learned to play games. These are the things that we learned in the last session. Today we are going to learn the next part. INNMY, my CLASSROOM, room. In my classroom. In my classroom. THIS, this, ISS, MY, my, CLASSROOM, room. This is my classroom. IT, it, ISS, yeah, BIG, big, ROOM, room. It is a big room. How is the classroom? It is very big. And then THERE, there, ARER, THIRTY, 30, CHILDREN, children, INN, MY, my, CLASS, class. There are 30 children in my class. THERE, there, ARER, SIXTEEN, 16, GIRLS, girls, AND and FOURTEN, 14, BOYS, boys. There are 16 girls and 14 boys. How many children are there in her class? There are 30 children. Among them, 16 are girls and 14 are boys. THERE, there, ISS, yeah, DESK, desk, and, yeah, CHAIR, chair, FOR, for, EVERY, every, CHILD, child. Every child sit in the desk and chair. And then next, THERE, there, ISS, yeah, CHAIR, chair, and, yeah, TABLE, table, FOR, for, THE, the, TEACHER, teacher. That's a chair and a table for teacher. Who is using the chair and table in the classroom? Teacher is using the chair and table in the classroom and the children are using desk and chair. You understand this, no? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at the next one. THERE, there, ISS, yeah, BLACK, black, BOARD, board. There is a blackboard. There's a blackboard in the class. And what Miss is using to write on the blackboard? Yes, you're right. You must use chalk, no? Yes, we use chalk to write on the blackboard. Now look at here. THE, the, TEACHER, teacher, WRITES, writes, ON, T-H-E there. B-L-A-C-K black. B-O-A-R-T board, blackboard. W-I-T-H with. C-H-A-L-K chalk. The teacher writes on the blackboard with the chalk. Next, look at the next one. T-H-E-R-E there. I-S-S. Yeah. S-M-A-R-T smart. B-O-A-R-T board. T-O-O-2. That is a smart board too. This is a smart board. There we can project the pictures. And then look at the next one. W-E-V-P-U-T put. U-P up. C-H-A-R-T-S charts. O-N on. T-H the E there. S-O-F-T soft. B-O-A-R-T board. Soft board. We put up charts on the soft board. This is the soft board. There we can put up charts. And look at the next one. T-H-E-R-E there. I-S-S. Yeah. D-U-S-T-B-I-N. Dustbin. I-N-N. Yeah. C-O-R-N-E-R. Corner. O-F off. T-H-E there. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Room. There is a dustbin in the corner of the classroom. What are the things are there in the classroom? Yes, blackboard is there and the teacher uses a chalk to write on the blackboard, and that's a smart board to project pictures, and that's a soft board to put up charts. And what is there in the corner of the classroom? A dustbin is there. You understand this? Yes. Next, look at here. W-E-V-T-H-R-O-W throw. P-E-N-C-I-L pencil. S-H-A-V-I-N-G-S shavings. A-N-D and. W-A-S-T-E waste. P-A-P-E-R paper. I-N-N. T-H-E there. D-U-S-T-B-I-N dustbin. We throw the pencil shavings and waste paper in the dustbin. Where you have to throw the waste? You have to throw the waste in the dustbin, no? Yes. And look at here. all, all, OF off, US as, HELP help, TO2, KEEP keep, OUR our, CLASSROOM room, classroom, CLEAN clean. All of us help to keep our classroom clean. Every child in the class put the waste in the dustbin and make the classroom clean. All of them are cooperating each and every one. Okay. Now first what we learn that's a big classroom and there are 30 children in the class. 16 are girls and 14 are boys, and the children are using desk and chair, and the teacher is using chair and table, and there's a blackboard in the class, and the teacher uses a chalk to write on the blackboard, and there's a smart board to project pictures, and there's a soft board to put up the charts. And what's there in the corner of the classroom? Dustbin is there in the corner of the classroom, and all the children throw their waste, their pencil shavings and waste papers in the dustbin. All the children help each other and keep the classroom clean. You understand this lesson, no? Shall we pass on to the book exercise? Read and answer. Part A. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. I wear a uniform or night suit to school. Which one you wear? You wear a uniform. Very good. What's the spelling for uniform? U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. Number 2. I carry a lunch box or blackboard to school. Which one you carry? You carry a lunch box. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. P-O-X box, lunch box. Number 3. Doctors or teachers teaches many things at school. Who teach you many things at school? Doctors or teachers? Teachers. Very good. And then number 4, the teacher writes on the soft board or blackboard with the chalk. The teacher writes using the blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard with the chalk. Now, shall we circle it now? Take a pencil. First one is uniform. We wear uniform to school. and carry a lunch box. And the teaches many things, and the teacher writes on the blackboard with the chalk. You all completed, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now, look at here. Draw lines to match. Part B, draw lines to match. Number 1, school. Number 2, chair and table. Number 3, dustbin. And number 4, softboard. And look at this side. A, teacher. B, pencil shavings. C, charts. And D, classrooms. School. In the school, we can see classrooms. Very good. And chair and table. Who uses the chair and table? Teacher. Very good. Dustbin. We throw the pencil shavings in the dustbin. And then softboard, we used to put up charts. Shall we write the numbers now? School, classroom, that is number 1. Chair and table, teacher uses the chair and table. And the dustbin, we put the pencil shavings. And softboard, we uses to put the charts, put up charts, softboard. You all completed? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do fill in the blanks. See, fill in the blanks. Choose words from the blackboard. Here you have a blackboard and you have some words in the blackboard. What are the words? Classroom, school bag, dustbin, read. Number 1, I carry books in mine. In which one you carry the books? Yes, you are right. School bag. Very good. School bag. SCHOOL. School hyphen BAG. Bag. And then number 2, I learned to dash and write in school. What do you learn? I learned to read and write. What's the spelling for read? READ. Read. And number 3, the teacher teaches in a, where the teacher teaches? The teacher teaches in a classroom. CLASSROOM. Room. Classroom. And then number 4, I throw waste paper in the, very good, dustbin. 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 Shall we write it now? Take a pencil. I carry books in my school bag. SCHOOL. School. And then hyphen. And then BAG. Bag. And the next one, I learned to read and write. READ. Read. And the teacher teaches in a classroom. CLASSROOM. Room. Very good. And then I throw waste paper in the dustbin. 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 Okay. Now you complete this. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now we are going to do and learn. Do and learn. Look at the first one. E. Activity. Help Rohan get ready for school. Number these pictures correctly. Here what the boy is doing? The boy is combing the hair. What's the name of the boy? Rohan. And he is going to school. And now he is brushing the teeth. First he wake up from the bed. Now he is having the breakfast and he is taking bath. We have to order the picture. Number 1, he wake up from the bed. Number 2, what you have to do? What you have to do? Yes, very good. You have to brush your teeth. Then what you have to do? You have to take bath. You have to take bath. Next, what you have to do? You have to wear a uniform and you have to comb your hair. Next, what you have to do? You have to have your breakfast. Last, what you have to do? You have to go to school. Now we order the sentence, no? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now, part F. What do you carry in your school bag? color the correct clouds, use different colors. What are the things that you carry in your school bag that you have to color? You can use different colors also. First, shall we do it now? You have to do it with a crayon. Don't use the sketch pen. Okay, children? Now, first I take orange color. Fans. F-A-N-S. Fans. Shall we take to school? No. Next one, C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons. Yes. So you have to color this crayons. And then next one, T-O-Y-S. Toys. You all bring toys to school? No. So what you have to do? You shouldn't touch it. Next, look at the next one. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. B-O-X. Box. Yes. You all bring pencil box to school, no? So you have to color it. Okay. And then B-O-O-K-S. Books. You all bring books to school? Yes. Very good. You all bring books to school, no? So you have to color it. Books. Have to color that cloud. And then mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Mirror. You all bring mirror to school? No. Look at the next one. N-O-T-E. Note. B-O-O-K-S. Books. You all bring notebooks to school? Yes. You all bring notebooks, no? Yes. So you have to color it. You can color it using different colors. Okay. Here I use my 4 colors, no? Orange, green, blue and red. Just like that you have to use different colors. And then look at the last one. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. You all bring clock to school? No. Now we complete this exercise. Okay. Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read this lesson, My School, and you have to complete the book exercises. I hope you all understand this lesson clearly, children. We will meet in the next session.